Here's how you convert 360 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. So to do this, we need a conversion factor. This is our conversion factor here. 1 atmosphere equals 760 millimeters of mercury. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply our 360 millimeters of mercury by our conversion factor. Since we want millimeters of mercury to cancel out, we're going to put the 760 millimeters of mercury in the denominator. Then we want to end up with atmospheres. Let's put our 1 atmosphere here in the numerator. Now when we do the math, we multiply millimeters of mercury in the top and bottom. They cancel out. We're left with atmospheres. That's what we're looking for. So 360 divided by 760, we end up with 0.4736. Let's call it 0.474. And the units are atmospheres because that's what we have left up here. That's how we know we set it up correctly. This is Dr. B converting 360 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.